Hi, I am Johannes Gualbert Kevin Putrapani, the delegation of Minor Seminary of St. Dominic Hokeng. First of all, let we know what is the meaning of scholarship. According to Oxford Dictionary, scholarship is academic study or achievement learning of a high level and a grant payment made to support a student's education awarded on the basis of academic or other achievement. According to University of Hawaii Research, scholarship decrease the number and amount of loans students need to take to complete higher education. Two-thirds of college students now graduate with loans, and their average college debt is nearly than $20,000, an increase of more than 50% since the early 1990s. People involved in the shaping public policy and allocating funds often view loans and grants on the same level as aid. Scholarship add to federal and state financial assistance. Many students do not qualify for federal aid as federal policy has long been focused on access for low-income students. States and colleges have become increasingly focused on getting high achieving students to attend their institutions or to remain in state. Scholarship fill the gap. Scholarship assistance can support students who fall in the gap between high and low income level. Students who may not qualify for a need-based scholarship and who do not meet the criteria for a merit-based scholarship. Scholarship teaches philanthropy. By being the students of a scholarship, it is hoped that the students will become philanthropic themselves and give back when they are financially able. It is sad to see that some scholarship recipients, as known as certain individuals, are currently having fun, but the numbers are not small either. Scholarship that should be used as assistance for the economic or continuing education are extraordinary to buying food, buying luxury goods, and buying the newest gadget. Actually, this is a wrong selection, or they are scholarship recipients who are not responsible for using the scholarship funds for necessary things. There are still many outstanding youth and economically disadvantaged who are unable to reach information to get scholarship. I divide these people in three criteria. The first criterion is being able but pretending to be poor. To my knowledge, many scholarships provide one of the requirements, namely a certificate of disability. It turns out that there are still many pass through to those who are actually capable but pretend to be poor. This is the character that must be formed and improved. There are so many people who are like this and they don't realize there are many other who should be more deserving of it. It is really hard to get rid of a character like this. The second criterion is being able but achieving, but not being able to use the scholarship fund wisely. Actually, not only those who pretend to be poor, but also those who excel and economically capable are also entitled to get scholarship. Unfortunately, some of those who can afford it are also not wise enough to take advantage of scholarship. Those who can afford it, the scholarship is used to buy newer gadget than before. Oh, it is really such a condition. It is better to give it to those who are really need help like the poor. And the last criteria is those who have received scholarship from an underprivileged family. They are no ones who use the scholarship properly and responsibly. That is only in the poor or lower income students. Is all from me. Thank you.